Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I know it's been rather quiet those last few weeks. However, there wasn't really much going on or really worth recording. So as you may or may not know from the last video, my orange Fiat 126p is currently in Poland for some repairs. Repairs that are not being necessary, but things that I wanted to have done. In the meantime, I've been driving around with my green Fiat 126p. It's a pleasure as always. The next thing that's coming up for this particular car is its technical inspection in November. So how it works in Austria is that I have the inspection always in November, and there's a regulation here that you can go to the appointment a month prior or up to 3 months later. Obviously, it's pointless to postpone the appointment up until 3 months later, because if you get the okay for the car, the plaque will always only be valid until November. So the topic of this video is actually the orange car. And just to summarize what's been done, those were 3 major things. First of all, I had the complete electric checked of the car, because I have been experiencing some problems with the starter / the ignition, which means the car wouldn't start on a regular basis. For example, I would start it in the morning, do my driving, and maybe switch the car off for 20 minutes or something, and then it wouldn't restart. That is basically, or was really frustrating. So I wasn't sure if it was something to do with the warmth of the car or some other problem. Therefore, I had the complete electric checked of the car. The second thing that I have done is to put the original engine of the car back into the car. As I mentioned in one of my earliest videos, I had the engine removed from the car in the summer of 2018. Back then it had over 80,000 kilometers already, so it was time to have it reconditioned in some way. Unfortunately, back then I had too little time to do so. However, I successfully managed to purchase a new engine, an older one. However, it has served me well for the last 2 years, and now it was finally time to put the original engine back into the car. I managed to buy some new parts, but had to use some reconditioned ones as well. And the third thing was the transmission, the gearbox. Unfortunately, I've been experiencing some problems there as well over the last few weeks before having the car transported to Poland. So in the end, I wasn't even able to put in any gears. Luckily, this was a small problem that I was able to manage myself. So in the end, I was able to put in the gears again. However, there's always the fear that something else might have broken, and therefore I had the gearbox completely checked as well. So those were the 3 things that I have had done to the car right now, and the repairs are coming to an end. So I will be able to pick the car up in the next few days. Due to the current travel restrictions, my plans have slightly changed, because I plan to go myself to Poland, pick the car up, record some footage there, what's been changed in detail, and then drive back myself. However, as the health situation is currently worsening from day to day, and I do not want to risk my health, I will have the car transported back to Austria, hopefully within the next few days. This may, however, prove to be a challenge as well, because if the restrictions are getting stricter, this may obviously mean as well that even transports will not be possible. This is very sad for me, because I was really looking forward to driving back with the car myself, as I did last year with the green car. It was a pleasant drive, and it was somewhat of a present for the end of the season to drive with the car back myself. This would also have meant that I would be able to record some new footage that I haven't done before on this channel, and this will currently be not possible, but hopefully I will manage to drive with the car a longer distance sometime in the future. Obviously, this year has not turned out as well as we all had hoped for, so there's looking forward to 2021 and onwards that it will all mellow down and we will be able to do things that we want to do without any restrictions. But as it is currently, that is a decision not up to us, so there is not much to tell at the current moment. Obviously, it's October, November is coming rapidly. This means that the summer season or the season for the orange car is coming to an end, and I'm unsure whether the weather will be nice enough to drive around with the car and record some new footage. Obviously, I will be going through all the details in some way, maybe in some closed space, because that's something I really want to do. And possibly the technical inspection is also coming up for the orange car, so that's maybe something I can record as well. If the weather will not allow any more recording with the orange car, I am very pleased as how the channel has progressed so far. I wasn't expecting anything in the beginning, and I'm still not expecting a lot from it. I am very grateful for each and every one of you who is watching my videos, liking them, commenting on them, because as I mentioned in previous videos, without your feedback I can't improve myself or the quality of this channel. Hopefully it has improved from the beginning up until now, and I'm looking forward to expanding this channel, recording different material as I did with the Honda E a few months back. This was very nice to do, something new, and I am looking forward to do new things. But I don't want to ramble on here again. So what I want to say is basically a big thank you to all of you, and I am looking forward to recording more footage in the future. That's it for this video, and thank you again. See you next time. Bye bye.